Ready to double your income while exploring the US? Here's exactly how to start your travel nursing career in 2025. Step 1. Choosing an agency. Pick an agency that offers transparent pay, no hidden cuts, housing help, stipend or furnished, 24/7 support, you'll need it. Step 2. Licensing and packing. Get a compact license, works in 40+ states. Pack light but smart, 3 scrubs, comfy shoes, documents. Step 3. On assignment. Your first week? Be a sponge. Learn fast, ask questions, and explore on days off. Want change? Try a new city. The adventure is yours. Call us at phone number or visit CambayHealthcare.com to get started.